Alright, we're doing Becky's crab dip. Measure out 6 ounces of cream cheese and then soften. And then throw it in the bowl. Otherwise, you'll have a mess. But that's okay. And you'll add 3/4 cup of mayo. I like Duke's, personal preference. And mix all that until it's smooth. There you go. We're getting there. Close enough. Uh-oh. Now dice 1 white onion or mince if you want to be fancy. Just depends how big you like your floaties. Put it in the bowl, stir it in, and add 6 ounces of grated cheese. I used Mexican cheese mix, but cheddar, Swiss, Colby Jack, whatever would have worked just fine. Stir it in, and we're almost done. Oh, no we're not, because we need garlic powder and paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of each, and black pepper to taste. Mix that in, and 1 can of crab meat, drain it off into the yard, and then you're gonna mix that in as well. Yeah, ingredients available everywhere. Now it's pretty much done, ready to serve. Now you can serve it hot, you can serve it cold, you can serve it as is, but God forbid, have some crackers ready to go.